Welcome back, my DIY nomads. I hope all of you guys are doing really well today. Yeah, we're back in HQ, and we are now, as you just saw a second ago, we've started to seal the concrete floor. We've just basically put down this sort of like weird concrete sealant stuff. It just looks like watered down PVA really, so apparently it's good for your lungs. Well, not to actually breathe in the chemicals. I mean, it's for sealing the concrete, so you don't breathe in the concrete dust when it gets disturbed. So doing that, I'm currently here. I'm going to do a second coat today just because I want to be sure, and also we're meeting some guys to get some security installed because I don't want all my lovely new tools that I'll be buying in the near future to be stolen, because industrial units are an absolute prime target for thieves. So you guys have a rough idea of what will be happening. I'm going to be sealing I'm going to basically be getting the workshop ready. Now over Christmas, basically we've got Christmas in less than a week now, which is mental. And I didn't think it would take this long to get to here to actually where we'll be moving in. So I'm going to have to get the fire truck in just after Christmas. But I've got the mezzanine floor going in the second week of January. So what I plan on doing is getting the fire truck in just after the mezzanine's gone in. Then I can start on the fire truck, so it'll be ready for spring. And in these weeks coming, like the weeks of videos over Christmas and up until that point we get the fire truck in, I'm going to be getting my van in, tinkering around and starting to take everything out and sort that out and redo the whole van. And also I'll be looking to obviously do the workshop up. So that's really going to be the caliber of videos that we'll be getting going over Christmas and up until into the start of the new year. So please follow along, enjoy HQ being built up, and yeah, let's get cracking. We are back for another day at the unit, and the floor's now all sealed. There's still a couple of like little wet patches. I've left it for like 2 days now, but because it's so cold it takes a lot longer to dry. And where there was like wet, it's mainly around the door actually, where basically a little bit of the huge amount of rain that we've had recently is seeped in. It's not quite drying perfectly because I've like put it down, it's rained and it's sort of leaked onto it, so I'm trying to just sort that out. But me rambling, the van's in here now. It looks so good. I can't believe this is actually a really big space. So, I mean, if I just try and do a panorama of it. So as max capacity, it's looking like we could probably get one of my vans and then a small van behind it. But that's probably not how it's going to go for 99.9% of the time. It's probably just going to be one van, which means this is a fantastic space. And then over here, this sort of like from this back wall 4 meters out, we're hopefully going to have a mezzanine floor that will be the height that goes over even the tallest. I've measured up so it gives even 30 centimeters or about 20 centimeters of space above an extra high roof Mercedes Sprinter van. I use that as my rough guide. So any van of any shape should be able to fit in here. But all we're doing for today is I am here waiting for a package of like some industrial steel workbenches. They're going to be like the sort of shoddy I say shoddy, they're going to be the workhorses of the unit here. They're going to take the battering, they're going to take all the rough abuse from all the conversions. They're not the nicest looking things, but that's not important when it comes to just getting these conversions done. But yeah, I'm stuck here now for the day, sort of with not much to do. So I brought, I think, a couple of things to do on my laptop. I brought my wheelie chair, which I'm going to wheel around the unit. Annoyingly, 2 of the wheels have seized up, so I'm going to try and get those loose before I have a bit of fun. Boom, first big order is in, guys. We've got some epic, we've got a movable heavy duty like trolley thing that I can move around, like dual layer. Got my 2 big bad boy benches. They're just under 2 meters long, well they're 1.9 meters long each. And I'm guessing this is all the wood, no, that's all the shelves and legs and everything else. Plus I've got a bunch of extra cardboard and I got a pallet out of it. And all this plastic you see here, that's not going in the bin. Oh no, I've got exciting things for those in the future. Right, I finally got the 2 benches built, which is fantastic. This still needs more tightening, but I thought I brought the right Allen keys, but I need to even go further step up than my current kit. I need some big boys for these bolts here. So that'll have to be finished another day. But this is the start. So I've got somewhere to work from at the moment, which is great. I've got my little movable trolley. I've got another woodworking bench coming, which is I'm really excited for that one. And I might even get another bench because I'm thinking that area down there is going to be like metal grinding and everything like that. And I'm going to get a purifier, like a air filter sort of system to get rid of all the dust. This would just be general working area. Fans over here, me working in between. Oh, and then mezzanine should be going up sort of second week of January, so then that'll be that area up there as well, that I can have offices and all my nice things that can't get covered in all this horrible dust. But I think that just about wraps it up. So guys, it's been fantastic to have you along. Please subscribe to the channel because this is going to get really exciting soon. I'm going to get the van in here over Christmas time. I really want to get the fire truck in, but if I get it in, it won't be able to move, and the guys need to install the mezzanine floor. So I need to get the mezzanine floor second week of January, get the fire truck in, then I can start on the fire truck, and then everything will get going from that point onwards, which will be really exciting. So I know it doesn't look like a lot's happened over the last couple of days, but I've had to wait for the floor to dry, and it's one of these things where it gets going quite slowly, and then the pace will pick up, which is really exciting. But thanks for joining along for the journey, and I'll catch all of you DIY nomads next week.